Oh my god, guys, look at my dice rolls and money. It's actually generating. What's up, fellas, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be show you how I got unlimited dice rolls and money for Monopoly Go game. Absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without loading any mod or anything you imagine, guys. It's working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Monopoly Go, and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our dice and money amount. So I will go with the maximum, guys. So let me click continue. And let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Monopoly Go game, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with the new tutorials. So let's go to the next step. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm wait about 1 minute and nothing happened. We still redirecting, so let's see. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Dice rolls and money are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, let me click here. Oh my god, guys, look at my dice rolls and money. It's actually generating. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.